News now from India, where 3 terrorists are believed to be killed as security forces on Wednesday evening launched an anti-terror operation in 2 places in Kupwara and in North Kashmir in Jammu and Kashmir. Officials say that troops from the 57th Rashtriya Rifles and the 53 Infantry Brigade launched an operation in the Kamkari area of the Machil sector. Officials say that approximately at 7:40 p.m. the movement of the infiltrating terrorists was detected, which led to the quick establishment of contact, ensuring a firefight. Now, in the following operation, the 2 terrorists are believed to be killed. Similarly, in another operation in Tanghar, 1 terrorist has likely died, gunned down as search operations continue. The 3rd operation was started in Budhal in Rajouri district on Wednesday night. A search operation was launched by security forces in the general area of the village, in Kheri Mora and in Danthal area. During search operations, a contact was established with terrorists and an exchange of fire took place between terrorists and security forces in the region. Further details are awaited. For the very latest on this, our correspondent Idris Lone has more.
Three militants have been killed in 2 different operations in North Kashmir's Kupwara district. The first operation started in the Machil sector, where 2 militants have been killed and security forces are continuing the search operation in the area. In Tangdar, also 1 militant has been killed by security forces. It was a joint operation of Jammu and Kashmir Police and Indian Army. At both the places, it was an infiltration bid that was foiled by the Indian Army and Jammu and Kashmir close to the line of control, after which 3 militants have been killed in the operations and massive search operations still continuing in the area. There is a 3rd operation going on in the Rajouri district of Jammu region, where there was a brief gunfight between militants and security forces, after which a massive search operation in the area was started. With video journalist Feroz, Idris Lone for WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.